A single 30-day late payment can drop a credit score by a noticeable amount because payment history is the biggest factor in most credit scoring models. Once it shows up on your credit report, it can stay there for up to 7 years, even if you fix the account immediately afterward. By the end of this, you'll know when a late payment can be removed completely, how to dispute reporting errors, and what actually works when the late mark is accurate, but you still want it updated or softened. First thing to understand is not every late payment is permanent. Credit reports are built from lender reports, and lenders make mistakes more often than people expect. A payment can be marked late when it was actually paid on time but posted late, or when there was a billing system error. Start by pulling your credit reports from Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Go straight to the payment history section for the account showing the late mark. Check the exact date it was reported late and compare it with your bank payment proof, like a transaction record or confirmation email. If you find a mistake, your next step is a dispute with the credit bureau. You submit it online, select the late payment entry, and attach proof that shows you paid on time. The bureau contacts the lender and requires verification. If the lender cannot verify the late payment, it gets removed. If they confirm it, it stays on your report. If the late payment is accurate, removal becomes less likely, but you still have two realistic options. One is a goodwill adjustment. This means you contact the lender directly and ask them to remove the late mark as a courtesy, especially if you have a history of on-time payments before and after that incident. The second option is to focus on rebuilding impact instead of removal. As time passes, newer positive payment history reduces the weight of an older late payment in your credit profile. Another important detail is that multiple late payments on the same account are treated more seriously than a single isolated one, so fixing the account going forward matters more than trying to erase the past. To keep things clean going forward, set up autopay for at least the minimum payment on all credit accounts so no due date is missed due to timing or forgetfulness. To summarize, late payments can only be removed if they are incorrect or unverified. Disputes work through the credit bureaus with proof, and accurate late payments usually require goodwill requests or time to lessen their impact. A practical next step is to pull your reports today and flag every late payment so you can match each one against your payment records before starting any dispute. Subscribe for more clear breakdowns on fixing credit issues without wasting time or guessing.